Today we have something absolutely insane, the return of a true American legend. That's right, the 2025 Dodge Viper ACR is back, and it's more powerful, more aggressive, and more track-focused than ever before. Dodge has taken everything we love about the Viper, raw power, insane aerodynamics, and a no-compromise driving experience, and pushed it to the next level. But is it truly worthy of the ACR badge? Let's find out. The 2025 Dodge Viper ACR looks like a beast straight out of a racetrack. Dodge has completely redesigned the body, keeping the Viper's signature long hood and low slung stance while enhancing aerodynamics to extreme levels. Up front, an aggressive splitter and massive air intakes dominate the design, feeding cool air into the monstrous engine. The wide fenders, house lightweight 20-inch center-lock wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires, providing maximum grip. Along the sides, carbon fiber side skirts help with downforce, while the rear features a massive adjustable carbon fiber wing, the biggest one ever fitted to a production Viper. The quad titanium exhaust tips sit in the center of a massive rear diffuser, ensuring this beast sounds as brutal as it looks. Inside the Viper ACR is a driver-centric masterpiece. The cockpit is stripped down for maximum performance, featuring lightweight Alcantara racing seats with carbon fiber shells, a flat belly steering wheel with paddle shifters, and minimal distractions. Dodge has kept the 12-inch digital gauge cluster, but the infotainment system is optional because in the ACR, it's all about the driving experience. A roll cage, 5-point racing harness, and lightweight door panels further reinforce the track-ready nature of this beast. Now, let's talk about what really matters. The engine. Under the hood of the 2025 Dodge Viper ACR sits a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V10, pushing out a mind-blowing 750 horsepower and 700 liters of torque. That's right, no turbos, no hybrid nonsense, just pure V10 fury. Power is sent exclusively to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission, making the ACR one of the few high-performance cars still offering a true analog driving experience. Dodge has also improved cooling and weight distribution, making this the most balanced Viper ever built. Performance numbers? Absolutely insane. The 2025 Viper ACR rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.9 seconds and has a top speed of over 210 mph. But straight liner speed isn't the only thing this car is built for. Dodge has fine-tuned the aerodynamics and suspension to make the ACR a track monster. The adjustable Bilstein suspension, carbon ceramic brakes from Brembo, and electronic limited slip differential ensure this Viper handles like a race car, pulling over 1.5 Gs of lateral grip. The 2025 Dodge Viper ACR is built for one thing: dominating the track. It's not a comfortable daily driver, it's not built for luxury, it's built for pure, raw speed, and it does that better than anything else in its class. Competitors like the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, Corvette ZR1, and even the Ferrari 812 Competizione will have a hard time keeping up with this American beast. The pricing for the 2025 Viper ACR is expected to start at around $150,000, but fully loaded with performance upgrades, it could reach $180,000 or more. But for a naturally aspirated V10 supercar with 750 HP, a 6-speed manual, and race-ready aerodynamics, it's an absolute bargain. So, is the 2025 Dodge Viper ACR the ultimate American track car? Would you take it over a Corvette ZR1 or a Porsche GT3 RS? Let us know in the comments. This is CarTrend, bringing you the hottest car reviews and news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic car content. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.